November 5th. Weather is not good. It's very warm. It's gonna get into the 70s today. It's already, well, it was 58 degrees when I got in the stand this morning. But it's November 5th. So this is just kind of how the season's going for me. It's been one of those years. I'm just not making the right decision as far as hunting the right property, hunting the right stands. Perseverance. That's what I'm calling it. So we're just going to keep at it. It's either going to be like that all year or eventually things will turn around. So it's a bit frustrating, but it's going to happen. Big cold front coming in this week. Shouldn't say big, but a cold front. A lot better than what it is right now and this weekend. For the prime of the rut, hopefully. So I only have to work one day in the next 10. So I'm gonna be in the stand a lot. Hopefully I can see some deer. That has just been such a struggle this year, like I've said. But until then, let's see if we can get on them today. It's November, sweet November, November 5th. It might be warm, but buck's gotta be moving, so we'll keep at it. See if we see anything. It's just after 12. I'm gonna pack up. It's warm. It's definitely in the 70s now. Finally saw another deer. So that was cool. Still pretty slow, but I did hear. I don't know if you could hear it on the camera. It's super thick out here in front of me, and I heard a buck chasing a doe through there. I mean, it wasn't grunting, but they were making a ton of noise. You could tell it was chasing. So that was good. That was about an hour ago. So like I said, I'm gonna pack up and we'll be back out for the evening, even though it's gonna be warm. I mean, it's November. We'll see if we get anything tonight.